How to change music length of Instagram story. Let's begin with the video. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Next, click on the plus icon at the top left to enter the story mode. Now select a photo or a video from your gallery you want to upload. Once your media is selected, click on the music icon at the top to add music to your story. Then select a music. After choosing a song, you will see a slider bar at the bottom. Just tap on the number in the bottom left. This option lets you select the music length between 5 to 15 seconds. Once you have selected your music length, hit done. Furthermore, drag the slider left or right to choose the exact part of the song you want. Then hit done at the top right corner. Once you are satisfied, hit your story to upload it to your story. And there you go. This is how to change music length of Instagram story.